Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 2 microorganisms, friend and foe, and today I will discuss about the multiple choice question. So first one is the multiple choice question from the chapter 2. I will give you multiple choice question. So in multiple choice question, first one is the yeast help in the production of alcohol. Yeast help in the production of alcohol. Second one, pasteurization of milk destroy its bacteria. You know that pasteurization I told you, and it destroyed its bacteria. And next one, the bread or dosa dough rises because of the action of growth of yeast cell. Why it happens? Because of the growth of yeast cell. Growth of yeast cell. And the process, fourth one is the salting the food helps to prevent it by extracting water from the cells. Extracting means removing, extracting water from the extracting water from the cells. Extracting water from the cells. And next one is which of the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called? The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called the fermentation. What it is called? Fermentation. Fermentation. And next one, sixth one, which of the following is a chemical preservative? Sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. And 7, carrier of malaria causing pathogen is female Anopheles. Female Anopheles. Female Anopheles. And 8th one, you can see that the microorganism which lives in the root nodules of leguminous plant is a bacterium. This is the bacterium. Multiple choice question already I have given you in the PDF form, chapter 1 and chapter 2, and hope all of you completed in the copy. Multiple choice, if you want you can write, otherwise no need, you have to write, no need of writing in the copy. So already I have given in the PDF form, but here you can see that multiple choice question. So first multiple choice question is the yeast help in the production of alcohol. Yeast helps in the production of alcohol. Then pasteurization of milk destroy its bacteria. Pasteurization I told you in the last topic, and it helps to destroy the bacteria. Then the bread or dosa dough rises because of the action of the growth of the yeast cell. Growth of the yeast cells here. Growth of the yeast cells. Then you can see that salting the food helps to prevent it by extracting water from the cells. Extracting water from the cells. Now come to the 5th one. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called the fermentation. And 7, which of the following is a chemical preservative? That is the sodium benzoate. And 7, carrier of malaria causing pathogen is female Anopheles. What it is? Female Anopheles. Then the microorganism which lives in the root nodules of leguminous plant is a bacterium. What it is? It is a bacterium. So this is the multiple choice question, and I think all of you completed. And fill in the blanks I will tell you. First one, microorganisms can be seen with the help of the microscope. With the help of microscope you can see the microorganisms. and viruses are smaller in size than the bacteria. Then third one, the disease causing microorganisms are called the pathogens. And fourth one, alcohol can be produced with the help of yeast. And sodium fertility can be increased by using manures and fertilizers. And the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. So this is the chapter 2, multiple choice and fill in the blanks. Till here you have to complete in your copy.